entitlement, discovery, permitting portion of the project, we do monthly updates with all of our clients. We utilize a system that shows, okay, here's what we've done, here's what we're expecting in the next couple of weeks, and here's also maybe some potential issues that are coming up. We always try to be ahead of it. At the end of the day, sometimes cities don't have enough staff to hold quorums for their city public hearings, and those are things that are out of our control. And as a landowner, they don't quite digest that. They think it's just a set and forget it and you go. And so being able to forecast that and let them know, hey, we anticipate a hiccup coming here in the next 4 to 6 weeks. It just allows you to get ahead of it and have those good conversations, so then they're not calling you on a Friday at 5 o'clock wondering what the heck's going on with all the details. Once we get in the field, after we've done, the permitting portions, value engineering the plans, we like to do weekly updates. Those get sent out on every Friday morning. With that, we have all of our files so they can see every single week when we've done those weekly updates. We believe that we're able to have those good genuine relationships because we are transparent and let them know exactly what's going on. There's a lot of things that we all do behind the scenes before we're customer facing, but what we found is as long as you are working as hard as you can, making all those calls with all those jurisdictions, following up with your consultants, time of the essence essentially on everything, you're going to be in good arms with your clients and any owners that are involved financially with the project.
Thanks, Kevin.
Fundamentally, building product for the right clientele and for the right management of that asset is so crucial. Too often we just build a product and hope they come. Well, how do you, let's be methodical. I want this type of clientele. So do I put internet services in my building? Do I put community? Do I put a couple office spaces that can be rented out or utilized for those that are now working remote? Just simply taking, okay, well, I don't need this big foyer of 1,000 square feet of wasted space. I'm gonna take 500 of it and now create a simple work printer room that tenants can now access. Because that's who I want. I want a young professional in my product. So I build a product that I want that target audience to come to. So when you can look at projects to truly, who is my end user? Who is my end product going to service? Then build it backwards. It's understanding the end user before you get into the weeds of getting an architect involved. Understand, yes, you're always going to want to know how we can maximize it, how many doors, where's our easements, what can we put in there, but then now build it backwards. Who are we building this for? Who is the clientele I want? I say as a property manager, you have to take the initiative to get involved with your internal teams, get involved with your clients and start educating them that you bring value to the conversation. Because once the product's built, 3 years down the road, when there's something that, something hits the fan, they're not calling the builder, the developer to be upset. They're calling you, and it's like, cool, if you're going to let me know. I would just say if your clients don't know the value that you bring to the table, then it's on you to start letting them know and getting in front of them continuously.